So here are the ingredients for our chicken macaroni salad. We have carrots, we have pineapple, relish, cubed cut up cheese, mayonnaise. We have onions, shredded cheese. We have shredded chicken. And we have our macaroni noodles. Let's start mixing it up. And of course, our salt and pepper. All right, let's start mixing. Let's put our ingredients in. Onions, relish, chunk pineapple, carrots, diced and cooked carrots, cheese, shredded cheese, I think our bowl is too small. Let's put the rest. Raisins, chicken, and then last is our mayonnaise, and then we'll mix it. There you go. And mixing time. Just mix it. And we almost forgot our salt and pepper. You can always add after you taste. You try it first and then. Now it's mixing time. Okay, I think that's good enough. This is what it looks like after mixing. And then this is ready to... So after this, we have to put it in a bowl and then chill it for 2 to 3 hours. And then it's ready to serve. Alright, see you guys later. Hey, this is what it looks like after 2 hours in the refrigerator. Now, it's now ready to go. Alright, ready to be devoured. Perfect for any occasion. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking, everyone.